changed all the plugs and the wires, the rotor cap, and I put a new coil. They recommend after so many hours to change them anyway, so I'm not even full throttle yet, and I'm already going about 30. That's like really good compared to what it was before I did this. So I'm gonna try to floor it and see what's going on. Sure sounds like a good engine now. Oh yeah, she's humming. She's planing all right. That's working either. Okay. She's really humming. Okay, well, that's was my issue all this time. Of course, the outdrive was screwed. I could give him a call and let him know everything's fine. All right.